Hi, welcome to So Tangled Quilts in Whitestone, Virginia. I'm Marion. Thank you for joining me today for another unboxing, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is the third in a sequence, and I think there's probably going to be one more. Today, I'm unboxing some fabric from Paintbrush Studios. Again, they're a new fabric line for me. I haven't had them before, so I wasn't really sure what to expect. And when I opened the box, I was actually very pleasantly surprised. The line that I'm going to show you today is called Gulls Just Want to Have Fun, Gulls. I thought that was kind of a cute play on words. And if you look at the fabric, they're in more of the muted colors. They're not the vibrant colors that I usually get, but they're very, very pretty. The first one here, I think Dave and I decided this was called probably Robin's Egg Blue, which is appropriate since we have these seagulls on here. And there's a bunch of different shells. The seagulls are in a very nice blue with a darker kind of navy. And the shells are in a coral color and a very darker coral color with this little rope. Okay, so that was the first one. The next one, what color did we decide this was, Dave?
Turquoise.
Turquoise. We think it's turquoise. Background, and I think it's probably upside down for you. Let's turn it this way so you can see it a little better. And you have all of these little seagulls, and I guess that didn't really help. There's still some of them upside down. The seagulls are standing on these dock pilings, and they're in a cream color with a pink and a little darker pink accent. Okay. The next one, I'm not really sure what these flowers have to do with seagulls. Maybe they're water lilies. I don't know. Anyway, they are again on this turquoise background, and the flowers are very nice, kind of a minty green. Dave told me that. He said they were mint. So if it's not mint, it's Dave's fault, not mine. Okay. And this is the same print as that first one I showed you. But instead of the blue background, we have kind of this mint background. And on the other print, the shells were kind of an orangey coral color. These are more red. I'm not sure what color red. What do you think, Dave?
I think blood red.
Okay, we'll go with that. Okay. And then the next two, I'm not even going to unwrap them. You don't need to, you can see what you need to see here, I think. These are, they look to me like shells. And this one is in a very pretty, kind of a water blue, if you will. And in a vibrant, this one is brighter than the others. It's a very vibrant pink. So anyway, I think the pink goes nicely with the pink on the seagulls. So that was that line. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you get a chance, please stop by the shop. Again, we're in Whitestone, Virginia. And also, if you could help me, I'm trying to grow my social media. If you could go to Facebook, I'm at So Tangle, and follow me, I would appreciate it. I'm having a bet with Dave. I told him about a week and a half ago that I thought I could get 25 new followers before his birthday, which is in just a few days. And I'm almost there. I only need about 6 or 7 more people. So please, if you get a chance, follow me on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.